Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oka Love Life. Y'all know how we do. We're gonna jump right into it. Let me say this, y'all might hear my dog eating in the background. She's being ridiculous because I gave her some boiled chicken with some peas in her dog food, and this chick acting like she ain't never eat before. Anyway, moving on to what we here for. I just microwaved me 4 pieces of bacon. I'm going to be toasting my keto bread, which is 10 carbs and 10 fiber, so it's 0 net carbs. Y'all, this is the best keto bread that I have tasted. I'm telling y'all, this is so good. You don't even realize that you're not eating regular bread. Anyway, I'm also going to put cream cheese on there, and then we're going to put our bacon on top of the cream cheese, and we are going to enjoy. Moving on to lunch, you guys, I am just going to be making me some air fried wings. So we're going to throw a little avocado oil on top of there. We're going to season it with Cajun season, paprika, Italian season, red pepper flakes, and an all-purpose seasoning. And then we are going to pop these in the air fryer on 400 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes or until they are done to your liking. Once they are done, we are just going to top it with some lemon pepper seasoning. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. If you used to like fried chicken, this right here is so good. You don't even think about eating fried chicken no more. This is so good. I love these wings. All right, y'all, go ahead, get into it, and I'll come back.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And
Y'all see these wings? Y'all, these were so good you would not believe what I did. Take a guess. Y'all know me. Take a guess. Take a wild guess. You right. I made them for dinner too. Me and one of my girls tore these things up. They were so good. Oh my gosh. But this time, y'all, I just seasoned it with basic stuff. I just did paprika, Cajun seasoning, parsley, and garlic powder. And I just topped it with the lemon pepper seasoning at the end, y'all. These are so freaking good. I'm telling y'all, they are so good. It's ridiculous how good they are. They're so good.
I've got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
All right, y'all, so now it's time for a meal prep. We are going to be doing a 3-day meal prep. So our veggie of this week is going to be asparagus and, of course, cauliflower rice. But for me, y'all, I don't like the stems on the asparagus, so I do cut them off. I know some people keep the whole thing. I cut them off, and I know it's so wasteful, but you could kind of use it for compost. Like, since spring coming up and we got to plant our garden, we could kind of start composting this stuff. I don't know if I'm going to do this, to be honest. I might not do it this time, maybe next time. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let's go back. All right, so you're going to season it with avocado oil. I'm going to do garlic powder, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, and a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to put this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep checking it until it gets to your liking. I like mine to be a little soft, so that's why I do mine for so long. And that's it. That asparagus is so easy to cook and it's so good. And when it come out, you could top it with some Parmesan cheese if you want. I'm not going to do that since it's going to be a 3-day meal prep. I'm just going to eat them as is, and I'm going to pair it with cauliflower and salmon, whichever way you like to pronounce it. Go ahead, y'all. Get on into this, and I'll come back. Moving on to our salmon. So we are just going to cut them up. Y'all, I was so tempted to leave them cut long like this. Doesn't it look nice? I probably was a butcher in my past life because I so enjoy cutting up fish. Fish, not so much of meat, but fish, I love cutting it up. And I love to cube it. The same, sort of like with chicken too. But I really love fish. Anyway, all right, so once we pat dry our salmon, we are going to pour a little bit of avocado oil on top. We're going to season it with Italian seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of Old Bay. We're going to mix it well. Pop it in the air fryer. Now, you could do this two ways. You could pop it in the air fryer on 350 for about 20 minutes, or you can do 400 for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. I did mine on 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. So go ahead, get into it, y'all, and I'll come back.
I never used to know love. Thought I did until I knew you.
Y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this up close. Doesn't this look delicious? Nice and seasoned. Now, y'all, don't ask me why I did this to my asparagus. Look how I'm separating it so it could go into the bowls. Like, why did I do that? I did not have to do that. And then I had the nerve to taste it too. Like, what in the world? I'm telling y'all, it's crazy. Anyway, y'all, for our next meal, we are going to chop us up some peppers. I just took 2 little orange peppers, and then I got green pepper that is on his last leg, as you can see, and then I got my red onion. So we're going to chop this up, and then we're going to put this in the pan with some cauli rice, and we're going to season it, y'all, so we can pair this with our dinner meal, which is going to consist of some shrimp. So we're going to take a bag of shrimp that I get from Aldi's. I get the jumbo. Put it in the pan with some avocado oil. We're going to season it with Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and parsley. And then once it cooked down some, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, go ahead, get on into it, and I'll come back.
I didn't really go into much when it came to opening my heart until you found a way to knock down every wall I kept all around. Oh, you came, you saw, you conquered.
All right, y'all, so this is the cauliflower that I'm going to be using. I get these from Aldi's. I just steam it and drain the bag, drain all the juice out of it. I'm going to add red pepper, garlic powder, and lime juice to this with a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now, you can add a sweetener to this. This is the cauli rice that I'm going to put with the salmon and the asparagus. So I decided to opt out of that, but it's really good when you add a sweetener to it. I could eat it either way because I just like the lime and the garlic cauli rice. So either way is fine with me. But if you know you like a little sweetness to your rice, go ahead and put a little sweetener in there and call it a day. Anyway, we are going to plate this because this is going to be either lunch or dinner, or I may rotate. I might have it for lunch one day and I might have it for dinner the next day. I don't know. That's the thing, is our choice, so we could do what we want. There's no rules to this thing. There's no specific order. You just go ahead and go with the flow. And y'all, let me tell y'all something. Meal prepping is not for the weak. Here, making breakfast, dinner, and lunch meal prep. Oh, baby, it's going to put you to work here. But I promise you, it is well worth it. I'm telling you, you have so much more time during the week because you're not cooking during the week. So these 3 days, I have so much more time. And it's all from just not making my meals. Like, it's craziness. Anyway, y'all, moving on to the side dish for the next meal, we are just going to add our veggies that we had chopped up mixed with our cauli rice. Now, y'all, I already had steamed this bag of cauli rice and I drained it, but you don't have to do that. You can add it in the pan frozen. You don't have to steam it. So I'm going to add Italian seasoning and parsley with liquid aminos. And y'all, I had to add a little bit of avocado oil to mine. But if you let your cauli rice be frozen and put it in the pan, you won't have to add no oil because the moisture from the cauli rice is going to keep those veggies from sticking to the pan. All right, you guys, I go ahead and get back into it and I'll come back.
Love by using honor. And if I ever lose you now, I'd be losing myself too. I won't ever put you down. All my heart hopes you never do. And if the world ain't there tonight, better believe I'll be by your side. Who I used to be is now somebody new. Yeah, the best loving you. The best parts of me were made from loving you. I never used to care about me. I always put the other half first. You showed me that ain't fair.
I do want y'all to see this close up. Look at that. Don't this look like rice, y'all? This is so good, y'all. This is nothing but protein and veggies. Protein, veggies, and good fats. Like, this is so good. So I still had salmon left over from the previous meal. I just added 2 little pieces to these, so it's shrimp and salmon. But look, y'all, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Hey, hey. What is wrong with me? Oh my God. All right, y'all. So here is everything. That is going to be my breakfast. I'm just going to have breakfast parfaits. And like I said, these I might switch up, do lunch and dinner. One might be lunch one day, might be dinner the next day. So, and for snacks, I got pepperoni and I got some pepper jack cheese. And I also made me some ginger tea. Y'all know I love ginger tea. So I also made me 2 things of ginger tea. And then that's my snackies. And you can see my breakfast. I left one of the yogurts in the refrigerator. Y'all, just don't ask me why. But this is a 3-day meal prep. So for these 3 days, it would be 1,328 calories and it will be 20 net carbs. Total carbs will be 34 grams. Anyway, you guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you are new here and you stayed this long, please consider subscribing to my OGs who keep coming back. Thank you so much for your love and support. You guys, please don't forget to hit the like button on your way out. I greatly appreciate it. I thank you guys for joining me. I thank you for sharing this space with me. And as always, I thank you for watching.